3.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to see about the project which we did in the year 2017. Our project members are Gokula Krishnan, Harrison, Mangaram and Shanmugam. Our project title is Design of Mobile Robot Teleoperation System based on Virtual Reality. Objective. The main objective of this project is to control the robot by using two-dimensional hologram technology and to detect the landmine using proximity sensor. Abstract. Here we are going to see two-dimensional hologram technology to control specific devices. Basically, hologram is a physical structure that diffracts light into an image. A holographic image can be seen by looking into an illuminated holographic print or by shining laser. DVS. DVS stands for Dynamic Vision Sensor, which detects temporal contrast of brightness and fastest response time compared to the conventional frame-based sensor, which detects static brightness per every frame. Introduction. General. We are going to use 2D hologram technology to control specific devices. And as I said before, DVS, which is used to detect the static brightness per every frame. Holography. Holography is based on principle of interference. A hologram captures the interference pattern between two or more beams of coherent light. One beam is shown directly on recording medium and acts as a reference to the light scattered from the illuminated scene. The term hologram can refer to both encoded material and resulting image. DVS. In this paper, a design of proximity sensing utilizing DVS is proposed. It can estimate the distance from DVS to object by analyzing the spatial information of reflection of additional light source. Virtual reality. The definition of virtual reality comes naturally from the definition for both virtual and reality. The definition of virtual is near and reality is what we experience as human beings. So, the term virtual reality basically means near reality. Literature survey. Proposed system. In this proposed system, the device control made by two-dimensional hologram technology. The contributors of proposed design are in three parts. First, it calculates accurate distance in real time only with spatial information of reflection. Second, the proposed design can eliminate environmental noises by using pattern matching based on time domain analysis, while conventional optical proximity sensors, which are mainly used in smartphones, are very sensitive to environmental noises. Due to that, they use the total amount of brightness for a certain period. Third, our design replaces conventional proximity sensors with holding the additional benefits that it utilizes the advantages of DVS. Light signal is focused by using the hologram projector so that we can create the hologram image through 2D hologram projector. The projected hologram image will be monitored by the virtual sensing unit. Before to make a serial communication via sensor medium access control unit, we need to process the image by using controlling unit. The microcontrol unit is used to process the image data and to control the robot through the switching unit. Advantages of the proposed system. It reduces hardware usage, increases processing efficiency and speed, easy to replace the controlling unit, low power consumption. These are the two modules of our project. One is hologram section, another one is device controlling. Hologram section. It consists of power, light source, projector, projected vision, DVS, UART and SMAC. SMAC is sensor medium access control. Device controlling. It consists of SMAC, UART, microcontroller AT89S52, relay, robot control, buzzer, proximity sensor. Let us see about the device controlling elements. Atmel 8952 series is an Intel 8051 compatible family of 8-bit microcontroller, and we are using Atmel in the robot module only. UART, and UART stand for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, is responsible for performing the main task in serial communications with computers. A UART can be used to receive the information. The UART performs all the tasks, timings, parity checking, etc. needed for the communication. Basically, UART contributes of two components. One is MAX 232 IC. Another one is RS 232 serial cable. Here we are using MAX 232 IC. ZigBee. ZigBee is a specification for suite of high-level communication protocols using small, low-power digital radios based on the IEEE 802.15.4. The technology defined by the ZigBee specification is intended to be simpler and less expensive than other WPANs such as Bluetooth. Holography. Holography is based on principle of interference. In that diagram, it shows how an image can be passed through hologram. Here there is a laser which passes through the simple lens that becomes as a reflective hologram. A hologram can be seen by looking into an illuminated holographic print or by shining a laser through a hologram and projecting the image onto a screen. Working of holography. Holography is a technique that enables a light field, which is generally the product of light source scattered off objects, to be recorded and later reconstructed when the original light field is no longer present due to the absence of the original objects. Holography can be thought of as somewhat similar to sound recording, whereby a sound field created by vibrating matter like musical instruments or vocal cords is encoded in such a way that it can be reproduced later without the presence of the original vibrating matter. Relay. Relay is a electrically operated switch. Many relays use an electromagnet to mechanically operate a switch. Relays were used extensively in telephone exchanges and early computers to perform logical operations. VB. VB stands for Visual Basic. is a programming environment in which a programmer uses a GUI, which means graphical user interface, to choose and modify pre-selected sections of code written in the basic programming language. VB is an event-driven programming language. And these are the images of our project. First one, the holographic projector vision, and that is the virtual reality, which is the projector, and the second one is the implementation of the Visual Basic, and that is the robot section and holographic projected image. Conclusion: our project utilizes the innovative technology of holographic projection influenced by dynamic sensor. The main concept of our project is to control any hardware devices without using anything. Thank you.